Hello children, I welcome you all to the math class. So this is the second period of math for today. So children, in today's class we will learn about even and odd numbers. Have you heard this term before? Okay, if you heard this term before, that is nice, but if you haven't heard, you will learn something new. So let us start. So you can see in the screen what are even numbers and what are odd numbers. Even numbers end in 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Yes, that means if the number in the ones position is 0, either 2, 4, 6, 8, then we will tell the number is even number. For example, 12, 46, 30. You can see in 12, 2 is there in ones position. In 46, 6 is there in ones position. And in 30, 0 is there in ones position. So these all are even number. And the odd number ends in 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So you can say 11. 1 is there. Yes, in the ones position, so 11, 7 is there in 37's ones position, so 37, 23, these all are odd numbers. So even number, I am repeating it again children, even number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and odd number ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So children, let us see a video to learn more about even and odd numbers. So here Mr. All is about to teach you about even and odd number. So the even number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So the even number ends with children 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now Mr. All is giving you an example of 12. So can you guess what is 12? So there is 2 in the ones position. Yes, so 12 is an even number. Very good. Now let us learn more about even and odd numbers. So you know the odd numbers end with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Yes, the number ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the numbers in the ones position. So let us see one example of odd number 1, 7, 17. So what is there in 17? The last number or the number in the ones position is 7. So it is an odd number. Very good. So you hope you all have understood about even number and odd number. Okay, now let us see more examples with more number. Okay, so the numbers are 53, 71, 42, 34 and 89. Now you have to find out which are the even and which are the odd. Let us start with 53. So in 53, the last digit or the digit in the ones position is 3. So it is 3. That is why 53 is an odd number. Yes. Now next 71. 71, 1 is there in the ones place. So it is an odd number. You have guessed it very correctly. Now next number 42. In 42 you can see what is there in ones place. 2 is there in ones place. So it is an even number. Very good everyone. Now next children, let us take the next number 34. So in 34, 4 is there in ones position. 4 is there in unit digit. So 34 is an even number. Very good. Next 89. 9 is there in ones position. So you can say that 89 is an odd number. Yes, so hope you all have understood what are odd numbers and what are even numbers. So next, children, even numbers are directly divisible by 2. You are doing division lesson, yes, and it is in the division because all even numbers are directly divisible by 2. That means you can see the example, first example, even number. If you divide 246 with 2, you will get remainder 0. That means it is directly divisible by 2. And odd numbers are not divisible by 2. That means you can see if you divide 3, 3 is an odd number, right? So if you divide 3 with 2, the answer will be, remainder will be 1. Yes, so even numbers are directly divisible by 2 and the odd numbers are not divisible by 2. So children, we will do exercise 44 from chapter 6 division, which is in page number 112 from your math step book. So this is the page. Now let us start our class. Let us do this exercise now, okay? Children, this is the exercise 44 which we are going to solve in today's class. So you have learned about the odd and even number. So in 1 and 2 you have to verify odd and even number looking at the numbers. So let me first write what are even numbers. So even numbers end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and directly divisible by 2. Yes, now let me write what are odd numbers. Odd numbers ends with, in ones digit, odd number has 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Yes, now in the first you have to verify the number if it's even or odd number. So you can see 17 is an odd number because it is ending with 7. So you write 17 in the odd number. 9 is also an odd number because it is 9 ending with 9, 9 in the ones position. 22 is an even number because it is ending with 2. So you write here. 25 is odd number because it is ending with 5. And finally 10 is an even number. So you can write 10 here. Okay, now next among the numbers, 48, 147, 95, 250, 4325, 21 and 4688. You have to verify which are even number and which are odd numbers. So 48, it is ending with 8. So obviously this is an even number. 147, it is ending with 7. So it is an odd number. 95, it is ending with 5. It is an odd number. 250, it is an even number because it is ending with 0, right? 4321, it is an 4321, it is an odd number because it is ending with 1. And 4688 is an even number because it is ending with 8. 4688. Okay children, so hope you have understood even and odd number. So you can do number 2 as your home assignment. You have to circle the odd number and you have to tick the even number. I will do one for you, like 100 is an even number, so I will tick 100, and 1 is the odd number, so I will circle 1. So in this way you will complete your number 2. Now verify by actual division whether the number is odd or even. So this I have already told you that even number is directly divisible by 2. Yes, so let us try with 28. You can take a rough copy. Or you can take your math step copy and start dividing 28. So we know that 2 ones are 2 and 8, 2 fours are 8. So we got remainder 0. 8 minus 8, 0. That means it is directly divisible by 2. So 28. Yes, it is an even number. So beside 28, you can write even like this. Okay. Now next, let us verify another number. That is 147. Yes, let us divide it with 2. So 1 will not be divided by 2. So we will take 14. 2 7s are 14. So 14 minus 14, 0. we will bring this 7. We know that 7 is not directly divisible by 2, so we can take 2 3s are 6, because 2 4s are 8 is greater than 7. So 2 4s are 6, minus we got remainder here 1. That means it is not directly divisible by 2. So 147 is an odd number. Hope you all have understood how you have to verify the even or odd numbers, doing the actual division method. So children, 85, 936, C and D you can do as your home assignment, and you don't have to do E. Now tick the correct statement and cross the incorrect statement. Now let us read the statement number 1. An odd number has an odd digit in the ones place. Very true, we are doing this. Yes, odd number always has odd digit in ones place. So please put a tick. Some even numbers have odd digits in one place. This is not true. Even number always have even digits in its one place. So it is cross. So you have to put cross. Every number is either even or odd. Very correct. Each number is either an even number or either an odd number. A number cannot be even and odd at the same time. Very correct. A number either will be an even number, otherwise an odd number. It cannot be an even and odd number at the same time. So children, this is the exercise. Hope you all have understood what is even number and odd number. This is the last exercise from your division chapter. So in the next class we will start with the new exercise. So please watch the video carefully, properly, and try to solve this exercise. Okay, try to do all the homework. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you everyone.